Okay, question 4 has a bit of a trick to it. The question says find the value of the missing obtuse angle marked with an X around the answer to the nearest tenth. So there's two things we have to know here. This is an obtuse angle, and they're looking for the answer to the nearest, rounded to the nearest tenth. Now, for an obtuse angle in sine law, obtuse means take 180 minus your calculator answer to get the proper solution. So when we do the sine law, we're going to find for this angle here, since it's obtuse, whatever we get on the calculator, we'll subtract it from 180 to get our proper answer. So I'm going to start by labeling. I'm going to call this angle A, this here will be angle B, this will be angle C, and across from those angles, the side lengths with the same letters. So across from angle A, side A, across from angle B, way back here, side B, and that would mean this is side C. Now I'm going to write out the formula, fill in what I know. So I've got A over sin A equals B over sin B equals C over sin C. Lowercase a is 125. I can fill that in over the sine of angle A, which is 20. Lowercase b is unknown. So is angle B. And lowercase c is 250 over the sine of angle C, which is what I'm trying to solve for, so I'll replace that with x. Now when I look at these three fractions, one of them is useless to me, and that's the one with the b's in it. I don't know top or bottom of that fraction. So I'm going to rewrite this. It'll be easier for me to work with. So 125 over sin of 20 equals 250 over sin x. Now when we have two equivalent fractions, we cross multiply to solve for the unknown. So whatever I solve for is going to be the sine of x. And cross multiplying says that the sine of 20 times 250 divided by 125 is going to give me the sine of angle x, which is 0.6840400286. And to get rid of the sin in front, I do shift sin. Take the sin minus 1, press equals. It's 43.16 degrees, so x equals 43.16. Answer to the nearest tenth, and then I'm going to be careful about that obtuse rule. So here's the tenths place. I'm going to look 1 to the right. Since that's above 5, this actually becomes 43.2. But that, I can't forget, for an obtuse angle, I have to do 180 minus the answer that my calculator gives me. So 180 minus 43.2 leaves me with 136.8 degrees is the measure of angle C. That's my final answer.